Hello viewer, we are going to generate a design by using that one. So let's have some further shapes. I will use that eraser tool on that surface to generate a new visuals and also apply the pattern stamp over it to get a print over that, and then I will convert that layer into 3D. So we will make a spherical 3D design. We will wait for it. So that's the spherical 3D shape, and the design is printed over that spherical design. You can also change the different patterns as well. So thank you for watching.